Today we're going to go over how to use your in-store credit with Western Canadian Rockwell. So to start, you're going to have to make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, you are going to want to start there. You can see here a list of all of your orders once you have logged in and clicked on your icon. Then you're going to go to your profile, so just clicking on your initials, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see that you have a payment method available of store credit. So that will tell you how much you have available within the store to spend as a credit on your account. It will not show anything if you don't have it, and it may show your saved credit cards as well here. So let's go ahead and add something to the cart. So we are going to go to just a simple product here. We'll order a seal driver. We're just going to add that to cart. Always make sure you agree. We have a 5% store-wide discount on right now. So we'll go to checkout. So of course, because I have a Shop Pay account, you can see all of my information is loaded. So just on the payment method settings, you're going to click Add Store Credit and just click the Apply Store Credit in the pop-up, and that is going to take down my total to $36.54. Then you can continue by choosing your secondary method of payment and clicking Pay Now if there's a difference in order to do that. If you only partially use your store credit, you will have to go in and use it again in the exact same manner to use it on your next order. So it's not a one and done, it will be there whenever balance is available. If you have any questions, you can email us at info@wcr-inc.ca.